Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making some sauteed pan fried yellow squash. So you just want to take your ends off and you want to just start slicing it. Must have your vegetables. Health is wealth and we must take care of ourselves. Let's get started. You want to take a half of an onion, chop that up. You want to start sauteing your garlic and your onions. For 30 seconds, just saute it. You're going to use the olive oil because it's a much better choice than the butter. And it tastes well. You want to start adding your yellow squash, your clean cut yellow squash. Now you just want to season it with good old-fashioned salt and pepper. You're just going to use kosher salt. And a little bit of cracked black pepper. Just coat everything with the salt, pepper, garlic, and onions. Then it's just going to sweat in the olive oil. Everything is coated, so we're just gonna put it on low, and that's a go. After 20 minutes, the squash will start forming a nice juice, nice little gravy. You let it cook until it gets to the texture that you like. The squash made its own gravy and its own water. You don't have to add no water. Now that is done, so we're just going to transfer it to a dish.